Blessed day, everyone. Hope all is well with you. So, I would like to feature another property today. So, makikita nyo, tinatawag na two-way car street with one side parking on the side of the property. Tara, punta po tayo dito. This may be the perfect townhouse, right? At the very start of the year, sa school opening po sa July for your senior high and college students who would be studying perhaps in UST or perhaps in UBelt, in universities in UBelt. So, just a short ride from the Pitan or P. Margal. So, napakalapit itong property. Come on, pasok po tayo dito sa 2-story townhouse unit here in Sampaloc, Manila. As you can see, this is a lot area of 60 square meters and a floor area of 120 square meters. So, makikita nyo, high ceiling, and ang ating ceiling po is made out of PVC panels. So, makikita nyo, luxurious as it is, hindi siya tinipid. So, the width of this property is 4 meters at mahaba po siya, 15 meters yung depth po niya all in all. So, kasya po dito, pick up, even van, kasi side ng property po ang ating parking. So, makikita nyo rin po yung ating gate, bifolds po siya, so walang problema po sa pagpasok. Ito naman po ang ating breaker system. So, makikita nyo po, miniature type na po siya. Yan. Yan. So, may main breaker, may bawat panel, nandyan po. Covered na covered. Ito naman po yung ating GFCI outlet. Pwede po kayo mag-laundry dito, so walang problema, hindi po masyashort kahit po meron tayong outlet. So, ito naman po yung ating main door. Yan. So, makikita nyo, made out of steel po to. Yan. So, fabricated na po siya, prefab na, at meron pong secure na lock. Ito naman po ang ating living room area. Yan. So, as you can see, meron po siyang cove light at merong decorative lamp on top. Dito naman po yung ating storage space, meron pong lagayan ng mga shoe cabinet or even other storages kung kakailangan. So, ito naman po yung ating common bathroom downstairs. Yan. So, pa-step down po siya, utilizing the underneath ng stairs. Complete toilet and bath po siya. May lavatory na merong hanging cabinet. Yan. Tapos may water closet and may shower po. So, punta naman po tayo dito. So, makikita nyo, fresh na fresh pa yung unit, no? Inaayos pa yung ibang details. So, decorated by a chandelier na match na match po sa ating minimalist setup dito. So, yung ating countertop is made out of granite. So, on the black shade po siya. Yung ating mga kitchen cabinets is gray po ang color. So, makikita nyo, pulido po ang pagkakagawa. Yan. Even the underneath. Yan. So, makikita nyo naman po yung mga P-trap. Yan. So, makikita nyo, this unit is perfect for you. So, you could enjoy a dining table here, a 6-seater perhaps for your family. Ito naman po ang ating airwell ventilation area. Yan. Dito na rin po yung ating fire exit all throughout doon sa taas. Ito naman po yung ating laundry area. So, ayan po, meron ding GFCI outlet. There. So, excited na ba kayo makita yung taas? Come on! Akyat po tayo. Yan. So, makikita nyo dito sa high ceiling setup ng second floor ang ating drop chandelier na nakabalot pa para po hindi madumihan. And on my right is the common toilet and bath. A full common toilet and bath with mirror. Yan po. On the black side po yung ating mga showers. Meron na rin pong bathroom niche po sa kanto. So, this is our third bedroom, sa end room po natin. So, makikita nyo, no? So, same ang finish, hindi po tinipid. PVC ceiling pa rin po. Meron tayong tricolor po na ceiling light. At makikita nyo, no, well-ventilated yung unit. Meron po siyang sliding window here for enough ventilation. Yan. Yung ating floors naman po is made out of ceramic tiles na wood parquet design po. So, full concrete po yung ating property. Meron na rin pong window type na abang po dyan na butas. At makikita nyo yung ating cabinet. So, lahat po ng rooms ay may cabinet. At ito po ay movable. Yan. So, full panel ng molded cabinet, hanging cabinet, na pwede nyong i-place kung saan nyo mas perfect gusto. So, ito naman po yung ating middle room. Yan. So, makikita nyo, pagpasok nyo pa lang, molded door po siya. Tapos, lever type po yung ating knob. So makikita nyo, just the same as the end room, meron po din siyang enough ventilation. So kung sakaling mag-aircon kayo, so perhaps split type na po to, coming from the master bedroom. So makikita nyo, laki pa rin po ng ating molded cabinet. Yan. So enough na enough sa ating mga storage spaces. Actually, itong middle room, pwede po sa mga kids nyo, pwede kayo mag-bunk bed. Yan. Office space sa baba, tapos bed po sa taas. So the possibilities are yours. So tara, pasok na po tayo sa ating master bedroom. Yan. So yung ating master bedroom, so makikita nyo dahil yung property na to ay 60 square meters, so napaka-spacious po niya. Yan. So ito po yung ating cabinet in the light wood shade. Yan. Matching na matching po sa ating interior. Yan. So makikita nyo, meron din po siyang mga awning windows. May fixed, tapos merong awning windows po for your ventilation. So, pwede nyo pong lagyan ng blinds po dyan. Yan. So, meron na rin po siyang ceiling lamp. So, for further details of this particular property, if you want an actual viewing para mas ma-appreciate nyo itong property na to, just give me a call or message me or call me up at 0927-331-7657. Again, it is my pleasure to present to you this townhouse unit. This is Nancy Shaw Guerrero, your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, always at your service for your inquiries or real estate questions. I could be of help. So, deal only with licensed professionals. So, para yung investment nyo ay secure. So, few more units left na lang dito. So, para sa iba pang properties, all over Metro Manila. So, kung meron kayong mga inquiries, just give me a call. Again, thank you very much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!